Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Lightroom app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to download the Lightroom app from the App Store, and then we have to create our account. So I'm going to click on the allow here. Let's click on the allow, and we have to skip this. Now we have to click on the continue with Google. You can choose any option. For example, I'm going to click on this continue here, and after that we have to wait for a few seconds, and now we have to choose the email address, that which email address you want to use. I'm going to choose this one here. So we have to wait again. Let's click on the continue, and now as you can see it's loading, and our account will be ready to use. Now simply as you can see, we have to click on the sign in here, confirm, and as you can see, now we have to provide these few details here. And then for example, I'm going to write my age here. We have to choose the year, so I'm going to choose this one here. Let's click on the done, and let's click on the continue. So as you can see, our account is created here. Now we are able to use the Lightroom app. We can edit everything whatever we want. So we have to wait for a few seconds again. As you can see, we have to click on the low full access, and now I want to cut this one here. And as you can see, continue to Lightroom here, and now we have to choose the picture. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and now we can edit this picture. So in this way you can create your account on the Lightroom. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.